morning students. Welcome back to your English language online class. In today's class, I am going to teach you chapter number 8, A, an and the. So this chapter, A, an and the, is also known as articles. And you have been studying this chapter since class 1. Till now, you have studied just the basics of articles. Okay. Now we are going to understand that where do you use these articles, what are the rules of using these articles A, an and the. Okay. So let's start. What are the three articles? A, an and the. So first let us understand when do we use A. Okay. We use A before a singular noun and a countable noun. Singular noun means a noun that is one in number, and a countable, which means a noun that can be counted. So A, we use A before a singular and a countable noun when it begins with a consonant or a consonant sound. Okay. Now you all know what are vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. And the remaining alphabets are the consonants. So when a noun begins with a consonant or a consonant sound, then you use A before them. Let us see the examples. First example, dash goat ate the flour. Now goat is a noun, and you can see that this noun is singular. Right, they are talking about one goat, and you can also see that this noun is countable. You can count a goat, right? And the main point is that goat, this noun begins with a consonant. G is a consonant. So what do we use here? We write A. Alright. So a goat ate the flour. Second, she studies in dash school. Now in this sentence also, school, we have to place an article before this noun, before school. So we all know that school is a noun and school begins with the letter S, and S is a consonant, and when we pronounce school, then S sound is produced, right? What sound is produced? The consonant sound is produced. So, what do we write here? She studies in a school. Alright. Third, there was dash storm last night. Now, in the third sentence also, we have to place an article before this noun. What noun? Storm. So, storm, when we pronounce this word storm, the S sound is produced. And S, which sound is produced? S sound, and S is a consonant. So S is a consonant and a consonant sound is produced. So here which article we will insert? We will write A. Okay. So there was a storm last night. Now let's see, when do we use an? We use an before singular nouns and countable nouns. That is a noun that is one in number and that can be counted. So we use an before singular nouns that usually begin with a vowel or vowel sound. Now we used A before a consonant sound, but we use an before a vowel sound. What are vowels? I told you A, E, I, O, U. So any noun, when it is pronounced, it produces a vowel sound, then which article we will insert? We will insert the article an. Now students, let us see some of the examples of where do we use the article A and where to use the article an. Now see the first sentence. He bought dash umbrella. Now you can see that we have to place an article before this noun umbrella. So you can see that this noun begins with a vowel. U is a vowel, and when we pronounce this noun, when we say umbrella, then which sound is produced? A sound. A sound is produced. So A also is a vowel. So which article will come here? Here we will write an. Second, we were waiting for dash hour. Now see, in this sentence, we have to place an article before this noun. Which noun? R. Now R, even though this R begins with a consonant, but when we pronounce this, we say R. H is silent. So when we pronounce it, the sound that comes is, the sound that is produced is of R. O-U-R, R. H is silent. So O sound is produced. So O is a vowel. So what did I teach you? Before a vowel sound, we write an. So here which article we will insert? We will insert an. Third, she had dash apple in the evening. Now this is very easy. We have to place an article before the noun apple. So when we pronounce apple, A sound is produced. So A is a vowel. And this noun itself begins with a vowel A. So which article we will insert? We will insert an. Fourth, he was dash honest man. Now, here we have to place an article before honest. Now, honest, you see that even though this begins with a consonant, but when we pronounce this word, when we pronounce, how do we pronounce? We say honest. We do not say honest, we say honest. H is silent. So the sound that is produced is of O, honest. And O is a vowel. So before a vowel sound, we write an. So which article will be inserted? An. He was an honest man. Now fifth, she studies in dash university. Now here you can see that this university begins with a vowel. But when we pronounce this word, when we say university, then which sound is produced? U sound is produced, and U, Y-O-U sound is produced, and it is not a vowel sound. So here we will insert the article A. Sixth, dash owl is sitting on the tree. Now in this sentence, owl, when we pronounce owl, O sound is produced. O is a vowel sound, and this noun itself begins with a vowel O. So here we will insert which article? An. An owl is sitting on the tree. Now seventh sentence, I saw dash 1 rupee note on the road. Now here 1. Now even though this begins with a vowel, but when we pronounce it, when we pronounce 1, do you hear a vowel sound? No. You do not hear a vowel sound. Instead, you hear a consonant sound. So here, which article will be inserted? Here you will write A. I saw a 1 rupee note on the road. 8th, the hens were playing in dash open field. Now here we have to place an article before the noun open. Now you can see this noun begins with the vowel, and when it is pronounced, it also produces a vowel sound. It produces a O sound, open. So here which article we will insert? We will insert the article an. Now children, we have already studied about A and an. We have understood where do we use the article A and an. Now we will learn where do we use the article the. Okay? So, where do we use the article the? First, we use the article the before a noun when we are talking about a specific or a particular noun. For example, see, dash children played on a swing. Now, we are talking about a particular children who are playing on the swing. So, here we will use the article the. Second, when do we use the article the? We also use the article the with the names of rivers, mountains, monuments, newspapers, trains, ships, and so on. For example, you can see the Nile. Now, Nile is a river, and I told you that before the name of a river we use the article the. Similarly, Times of India. Now, Times of India is a newspaper. So, before the names of newspaper, river, mountain, etc., we use the article the. Third, we also use the article the with superlatives and phrases like first, last, next, and only. It will be clear from the example. Now see, example number 1. Hiten is dash tallest boy in the class. Now tallest is a superlative. It is a superlative form of a noun. So tallest, we will use the before tallest. Similarly, second example, we have maths in dash first period. So first, before first is also a superlative form. So before this, we will use the article the. So now it is clear to you that we use the article the when we are talking about a specific noun, or when we use it before the names of river, mountain, monument, newspaper, trains, ships, etc. And we also can use the before the superlative forms of adjectives or before phrase. Now children, I hope this chapter is clear to you. We will meet in the next class with another chapter. Till then, please try to do the exercises of this lesson on your own. Okay? Thank you.